Surah Al-A'la, the Most High. This surah is Meccan, containing one section and 19 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
سبح اسم ربك الأعلى.
Glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High,
الذي خلق فسوى.
who created and proportioned,
والذي قدر فهدى.
and who determined and guided,
والذي أخرج المرعى.
and who brought forth pasture,
فجعله غثاء أحوى.
then he made it dry, dark straw.
سنقرئك فلا تنسى.
Dear beloved Prophet, soon we shall make you recite so you will not forget,
إلا ما شاء الله إنه يعلم الجهر وما يخفى.
except whatever Allah wills. Indeed, He knows the apparent and what is concealed.
ونيسرك لليسرى.
And we shall make easy for you the path of ease.
فذكر إن نفعت الذكرى.
So advise if advice benefits.
سيذكر من يخشى.
Soon he who fears Allah will heed advice.
ويتجنبها الأشقى.
And the most unfortunate will avoid it.
الذي يصلى النار الكبرى.
He who will enter the greatest fire,
ثم لا يموت فيها ولا يحيا.
wherein he will neither die nor live.
قد أفلح من تزكى.
Indeed, he who purified himself will prosper.
وذكر اسم ربه فصلى.
And he remembered the name of his Lord and prayed.
بل تؤثرون الحياة الدنيا.
Rather, you prefer the life of this world,
والآخرة خير وأبقى.
and the hereafter is better and lasting.
إن هذا لفي الصحف الأولى.
Indeed, this is in the earlier scriptures,
صحف إبراهيم وموسى.
the scriptures of Ibrahim and Musa.